Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411 for Friday. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, expiration date of today, folks, and we're seeing a market higher. SPX up about 40 handles right now. Remember, VIX expiration is actually next Wednesday, so post VIX expiration this cycle. So we still have those August futures trading in the VIX complex. Looking at the VIX cash, down on the day, to be expected to some degree when we see a snapback. 18.5 on the VIX cash, the high of 24.10 yesterday when the market's running low. So we are seeing quite a significant selling pressure in the VIX index after yesterday's highs. Looking at the futures, I want to point out that we do have that front month future still trading for a couple more days, and we see premium in that front month future. The current August future right around 19, where we see the VIX cash 18.5, so about a $0.50 in premium. Then you go out to September, we're seeing the VIX futures trading right in line pretty much with the VIX cash, around 18.60 on that September future. Again, let's focus on the realized volatility. I think it's important to point out now 10-day realized volatility still around 28%, so we're seeing significant intraday volatility in the early part of the duration, but you got the 30-day realized volatility, even encompassing all these volatile days, the last 10 days or so, it's running around 17. So again, the VIX at 18.5, 19 with a 30-day realized volatility of 17. Not too much out of line right now, actually. So it's something to keep focus on as we continue to move through these volatility events the market's experiencing. Activity in the VIX, really August, some decent activity here as we move towards expiration next week. August 21 calls, pretty active, and the August 19 puts. Now remember, August future right around 19, so those 19 puts are at the money right now. Those are the big active strikes in August. Next week I want to focus on really administration. The tone between the U.S.-China relations, I think, continues to drive this market and create this volatility, so keep a focus on those headlines, as well as Jackson Hole at the end of the week. That's where the Fed's going to be very active, I think, in discussing potential future plans for their rate policies, and the market's going to be very focused on the narrative coming out of Jackson Hole next Friday, so keep a focus on that as well.